So I went to Harlem, I got my chopped cheese. I'm going to open it here. As you can see, it's got a little bit of wetness here. Oh, a lot of wetness. And here we go. First of all, I don't want to make a big mess. All kinds of deliciousness with the chopped cheese. As you saw, I ordered ketchup, mustard, mayo, the works. And it's cheesy. There's a lot of wrapper to take away. Once again, it almost feels like it has seasoning like taco meat. Very robust. Very spicy, but not like in a hot spice, but in a taco type of spice. I can taste the crunchiness of the onion. Lots of ketchup, lots of mayo, lots of cheese. I think the key to this review is just a lot.